at the banner once again and it's so cold. Without no coat, without his homeboy shivering up on the floor. He on the floor. He miss his homeboy making jokes and what he used to bring. But now he with his shawty, and she is everything.
Oh my God!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Wake up, nigga! Wake up, nigga!
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh hell no!
Let's go!
What's good, SJ family? So today we're gonna be doing chicken breaded with Flamin Cheetos Takis. So right now we at the store right now. We're gonna get all the ingredients and stuff. So I'll see y'all in a bit.
Kevin, man, you ready to try this, yo?
Yep.
Where you're at?
El Rey.
El Rey. They got some good ice cream over there, though, yo. Coronas, whatever it is. I'm glad she didn't say stop recording, because I wouldn't have stopped recording.
Stop fucking lying.
What we need for this, babe? What do we need for this, yo?
So right now I'm gonna get some stuff.
I don't know what we need for this, y'all. You like this ice cream? I'm smashing all this shit, yo. I ain't gonna lie, that coconut something. Where the coconut at? They added a coconut. Y'all see me, man. I need a new bed jumping out, man. Shout out to Oak, though, because Oak, man, when I go back in this weekend, he gonna hook me up, bro. Shout out to Open House, yo. 1100. See what he doing. Oh, they got it. They got it. We gonna see. Oh my God, if y'all know me, man. Y'all, this is what we gonna be making today, so we are gonna need one of these probably. Let me ask her right quick, though. Cause we probably gonna need these taquitos. We gonna need these right here. That's what we need for the chicken today, babe?
Yeah.
So we're gonna need a bag of Takis. We got the bag of Takis. We also gonna need a bag of hot chicken.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, whoa.
What is that?
Whoa.
Here you go, babe.
Should I get this?
Yeah, them potatoes are good. Me and Kevin gonna go look for the hot Cheetos, y'all. Oh my God, he done hit the candy aisle. We got pinatas, and we're going to the quinceañera. We're going to the quinceañera, Kevin. So these noodles right here, boy. Stay with heat on my feet, girl. Y'all know that.
How did she get over there that quick?
This is
We didn't get the hot Cheetos. But we're gonna need the hot Cheetos, guys, for this because...
yeah, my bad.
Bingo. So we're gonna be mixing the Takis with the hot Cheetos. We probably do have chicken at the house, guys, so... Yeah, we always have chicken at the house, so... Hit it from one time.
Shit. Here we go again.
We'll meet you guys when we get out the store, guys.
Today we're gonna be cooking with the SJ family. You know, we got the chicken. We're gonna be doing the baby.
Y'all about ended it right there.
And what y'all need is some chicken, flour, Takis, and Cheetos, and some oil. And you need these 2 baggies so you can smash the Takis and the Cheetos in a big container. Whatever y'all container y'all have in the house.
It's gonna be hot Cheetos and Takis. The Takis, guys, you know we pull out the big guns right here.
Steph drip is in the kitchen now.
So we about to go ahead and pop these over.
We're gonna put them in these baggies.
So we put the Takis in the other bag?
Really, nigga?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm gonna put the Takis in the other bag, guys. Gonna pour about, what are you pouring? About full bag.
We're just gonna smash it.
What you wanna do is you wanna get both chips, pour them in both bags. That's what we're doing right now, guys. This chicken method. Smashing hers, I'm gonna smash mine.
We should have something to smash these with.
I'm gonna smash mine. This is mine. It's weird. I got something for you today. What you want to do is you want to smash them down good enough to where
They broken up all the way.
but you don't want to smash them too much though. Oh shit, I ain't closed my bag all the way, guys.
Why you really?
Y'all want to make sure it's smashed all the way up. You can even, you want to step on it with your foot, you can step on it. You want to beat it against your head, whatever you want.
Put a little bit here. I'm gonna put flour in here, and we're gonna do the rest. Like.
All good. Now we gotta add some flour, is what she said.
Yeah,
She got it from me. Y'all, she don't really know how to make chicken like that. But.
Are you done? Are you done?
And we're gonna put the chicken. Put it in here.
Make sure it's sticky. I think. See what's going on with our chicken, yo. Chef Drip is in the kitchen.
He get cocky.
You wanna know the good? Y'all wanna know the good thing? We can easily get this up, and this is still cookable, y'all.
Really, nigga?
I'm gonna grab the broom, y'all. Get crazy up here.
Cooking with shit.
Alright,
should've put it
guys.
up
So
more.
you better like watch
Oh,
out.
y'all might want to back up for this part right here, cause it's going.
Oh no.
I told y'all she not black, y'all. But if we gonna give her a pass, we gonna give her a pass with that. Is it soap in there? See all the soap forming up in there and stuff, y'all?
It's not
She
so
got it.
guys.
Hey, y'all, the first chicken didn't work out that good, but
Yeah, we do it away, but look at
We
this
gonna-
chicken right here.
it's coming out pretty good. That's that tacky and hot Cheeto on there, y'all.
Right here.
Hold, wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
What's that splat? All right, y'all. So stay tuned. We're gonna show you how it look when they are done. We're gonna give y'all the results.
Yes.
Oh hell no!
I'm about to get his ass. Get his ass, y'all.
Shit. Here we go again.
Stop. It's not funny.
Leave him alone, y'all. Come on.
Just watch. You slept out.